Welcome back, everyone. Today we're doing something a little different based on what you sent us. Really interesting challenge.
Yeah, definitely.
Instead of our usual, pile of papers or articles, we've got just one thing. It's the title of a research document.
That's it, just the title.
But we're going to treat this title like a coded map. Every single word, even the numbers,
Yeah,
could be a clue about what this research was really about. The scope, the stakes.
exactly. Our whole mission today is really digging deep into just 5 specific words.
5 words.
MK777 Six-Month Longitudinal Review. We don't actually have the results or the paper itself, but the title. That structure alone tells you a huge amount about the effort involved,
Yeah.
the commitment.
Okay, right. Let's break it down then. First
Yeah.
part, MK7777.
Yeah.
Does it definitely sound like, I don't know, study subject alpha? It feels more like a designation, something classified.
It does, doesn't it? And that rigidity, that alphanumeric code, it's a strong signal.
You kind of signal.
Well, the MK part, especially combined with numbers like that, it screams internal development. Proprietary.
So not something meant for public discussion at this stage.
Probably not. It's like a security wrapper. You use codes like this early on to limit who knows what. You're protecting the IP, maybe you haven't filed patents yet, or the chemical structure itself is, highly compartmentalized. Need to know basis.
Okay, so if they're wrapping it up that tightly, the stakes must be pretty high, right?
You'd assume so.
It implies they've likely already sunk a lot of resources into this MK777. And this review document, it's focused only on that one thing. Nothing else.
And the number itself, the 777, often gives another clue.
How so?
In fields like pharma or chemical research, that kind of number often implies iteration. Lots of it.
Ah, so this isn't attempt number 1.
Probably not attempt number 100, maybe. They've likely gone through many, many candidates or variations to land on this specific one, MK777.
Wow. So it suggests a really intensive, focused research program. They're pouring resources into refining something very specific.
Right. This isn't some exploratory pilot study. This feels like the leading candidate, the front edge of their R&D at that moment.
Okay, so if the subject is that tightly controlled, that specific, after potentially hundreds of iterations, what does that imply about the data they needed from this review? It can't just be, does it work?
No, absolutely not. You're looking for much more nuance. Stability, maybe. Predictability. How does it behave in a complex biological system over time? Managing variability.
Which leads us, I guess, right into the next part of the title.
Exactly, the methodology hint. Longitudinal review.
Okay, longitudinal. We know that means tracking things over time.
Right.
But, don't most studies track something over time? Why make a point of putting longitudinal right there in the title? It almost sounds like they're highlighting the difficulty.
Well, it's a specific kind of tracking over time. It's the difference between, say, checking your blood pressure once, maybe twice.
Right, like a snapshot.